Hi, sir.
Hi Monica. Hi Tanish. Hi
Today.
Linda. Hi Suman, Santosh, Abhijit.
So,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, Rujan.
Is there assessment today?
Yeah, today no assessment. Yeah, today I'm not going to take any assessment. I'm going to, teach you one new graphics element.
Okay, sir.
Is it CSS?
No, it's not the CSS. It's more of like HTML and JavaScript. You need to draw some graphics, right? Like you can draw pictures on your own using HTML. So I'm going to teach you that part. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Aro. How are you
Yes,
feeling
sir.
now? How are you feeling now? Better?
Fine, sir.
You're better
Yes,
now,
sir.
right? Okay.
So, good evening, sir.
Yes.
When is the project due? When is the project due?
Yeah, I actually informed from November we'll start, right? So from day after tomorrow we'll start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can, day after tomorrow means, starting from Monday. So we'll focus mainly on the project. So I want you all to have hands-on experience. Okay, so I'm going to give assessments also from Monday. Assessments means, I'm going to give you a very small level programs. Like, I'll tell you, can you please, display an image? So you should immediately write code, okay? You should be able to write code, whatever I say. Like, I'll say like, I want to iterate from one page to another page. So you have to create code for that, okay? So you have to practice that part. I'll give you, very small one so that you'll habituate how to write HTML program and JavaScript as well along with that. Like, I'll give some button actions. So when you click on the button, you just validate this field. So you should be able to do that. Very simple. And then after that, we'll slowly, I'll give you tasks which are related to your projects. Okay, within November month, right? We have to complete all your project work, and then you should be able to, in a good position to say like, okay, you can do HTML program and JavaScript program and slightly make use of CSS programs. Okay, CSS styles. You should be in a position at the time. Okay, by November end, I'm sure you would be in good positions if you practice well.
How about after that?
After November, yeah, I still have some plans, so I'll let you know, because I planned up to November for now, so I'll just give you step by step information. Okay, I'm planning about other things. Okay. Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Sir, I couldn't come in Wednesday because I had cold.
Yeah, I know, Yaro. Okay.
Sir, you sent the assessment 2 in the group, no, sir? I attempted that, you see.
Oh, okay. I have
The one for 20 marks.
Let me have a look at it.
Sir, Wednesday was assessment.
No, it was okay, not assessment. We had assessments last week, whole week, because many of you are not present, right? So I thought like it would be good experience for you all to attend the, to have a feel of how the assessments would be. So what was that? Okay. Okay, Google Forms and then assessment 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, assessment 2 and then responses. Oh yeah, 13 members have attempted. Okay. Haripriya, Ketan, yeah. Okay, Ketan, yeah, Ketan yours is 20 out of 20. So you did almost right. You did not copy anything, right?
No, sir.
No, are you sure?
I remember attending some of the questions before.
Okay, because this part, many of you, right? Like they selected only one or two. Yeah.
Sir,
So
because
RO
it's not radio button, it's checkbox. That's why.
correct. Yeah, actually, RO and Abhijit, right? Tanish,
Tanish,
yeah.
sir.
Arav and Tanish, they both were 18 marks. They were standing first in the class. So now you have beaten all of them, and you.
Sir, in the top right corner there'll be the marks. Sir, I just saw that and I know how much I have to do.
Yeah. So assessments and all, right? You should be genuine for yourself. Okay, you should be answering genuinely so that you'll get to know the real assessments, real learning from your side, how much you have learned, right? So that should be you should try that way. Okay, there should be a realistic way of understanding yourself.
Sir, when is assessment 3?
What is it, Ara?
When is
Assessment 3 was happened in Wednesday only.
Yeah,
only.
when you were on leave, right? When you were sick, right? On that day we had assessment 3.
Sir,
Link
could
is in the
you
WhatsApp
send me
group.
Yeah,
that
I sent it.
assessment 3?
No, I sent 2 assessments in the WhatsApp group. So you can, those who haven't attended, right? You can attend. Okay. Yeah. Let's start with today's code. Okay. So today's class. So today is our 45th class, and we will see what we are going to learn today. So we are learning the canvas element. So this is a new element in HTML. So canvas elements, right? Mostly it is used in advanced. It's an advanced element. Okay, very advanced
Sir, I
element.
used that element only to do something, sir. I sent it in the group that day long time back. Did you
Oh, is
see?
it? Oh, no, I haven't looked at it. So maybe I'll
Sir,
yeah.
I actually made a clock with that, sir.
Right. Yeah, that part clock I remember actually, but that's quite. You should be very sure of, So sure of what exactly it does. So basically,
Sir, at that time I used Canvas, that's why.
yeah, it's okay. So you downloaded from somewhere else, right?
No, I was actually going through W3 schools and then just trying to
Oh,
do it by myself.
okay, yeah, fine. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is it. We are learning about the canvas element today. So it is actually it is represented using canvas tag. So this is the tag. Okay, this is a canvas tag that we use to represent. Okay, why this canvas tag is used? It's for the graphic purpose. Usually, the canvas tag is used for the graphics. I'll give an
No, you
example.
have given
I'll give an example. So the charts, right? Bar charts. Yes, Rujan?
not sorry. Nothing, sir.
Okay.
Nothing,
Fine.
sir. It's not me.
Okay, okay. Yeah, understood.
Me, sir.
Fine. Okay. Yeah. Canvas is mainly used for the graphics only. So to display any graphics on the web page, right? So you use canvas element. So using canvas elements, some bar charts are there, right? So some of the open source charts are there. So those open source charts, right? They will internally use canvas element. Okay. So let me allow Revati also. Yeah, Revati is coming. So this way, this is the main graphics element that we will try to display the images. Like if you want to draw on your own, you can draw. If you want to draw charts, right, you can draw charts like horizontal bars or vertical bars or circular pie charts representation. So all those things you can display based on using canvas element. Okay. Now, yeah, let me show you a simple, this is a basic one. So you just have to understand the usage actually. So how it is used. So usually you can draw rectangle, you can draw a diagonal to meet the rectangular points. Like, we the diagonals, right? Okay.
Sir, this is like a whole new topic, sir. It's like a whole new subtopic of JavaScript.
Yeah, actually it's advanced version. So I want to touch base of you. So touch base of this canvas element so that you can try on your own. So you can see you can do some research on canvas and then see what kind of JavaScript code that it allows built in. Like it's all built in. So you can make use of those APIs and all. So you can use those APIs to draw your requirements to fulfill your requirements. You need to understand, okay, there is a move to element, there is a line to element. So these are sometimes I'll tell you in robotics, right? If you take an example of robotics, suppose think that you are sending a robot on the moon. So robot doesn't know any coordinates, right? So what robot will do? So you have to tell the robot, take one step forward, take one step right side, take one step left side, take one step back side, right? So similarly, the graphics also works the same way. So that wherever the robot moves, so you can draw a picture in that direction. So it becomes a full picture once the total drawing is complete. So for rectangle, circle, and then other text drawing, right? So there are built-in functions already available. You just have to understand the basic concept. So whenever you get a full project, right, then you can start thinking about, okay, what other things that Canvas supports, other JavaScript code that it supports. Okay, let me show you all this one in the program. Okay, this is our code, right? So let me open lesson 45,
Sir, can you
right?
maximize the tab, sir? It looks a little bit small.
Oh, what is it, Ketan?
Sir, can you maximize the tab?
Okay, this one. You want to
No,
make it
sir,
big?
the Visual Studio Code
No,
tab.
he's asking the Visual Studio Code tab to be bigger by pressing the square in the middle. In the top right hand corner, there's this minus.
Okay, this one. This
yeah.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So I'm going to create a file here. Class 45.html. Okay. And then I'll take the basic code. So basic code is what? I'll take it from. Okay, not here. Here. Okay, we don't have class and all. Yeah, here. Let me copy it here. I'll copy the basic code. Okay. Yeah, we don't need any HTML files other than 45. Okay, I'll just close others. Okay, this part, yeah, I'm going to remove the styles also. And then this is a basic template, right? So we'll just make it as demo of graphics. Okay, demo of graphics. Yes, Sara.
Where is Canvas tag replaced in head tag or body tag?
Hi, sir. Good
Display.
evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening, Dishant. So let's, okay, Aro, your question is Canvas. So what I said, Canvas is the graphics, used to draw the
Sir,
graphics,
I know
right?
what is Canvas. I'm telling that is Canvas placed in head tag or body tag?
No, that's what I'm telling. Canvas is used for what?
Sir, for graphics.
Graphics. So graphics to draw, right? To display, right? Aro?
Yes, sir.
Graphics is used to display, right? Display on the web page, right?
Yes, sir.
So display means which area it will come?
Sir, it will come in the corner.
No, display area. What is the display area tag?
Sir, align.
No, see.
Sir, I
The
mean body.
Yeah, body. The content that you write in the body tag, right? It's all display area. Okay, so we will, so that's why all the canvas will be written in body only. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to give H1 here, and then let's see demo of HTML canvas element. Okay, to draw graphics image. Okay, just like that, and then we'll draw a paragraph tag, and then in the paragraph tag here. Okay, and then let's use canvas. So as soon as we type the starting tag, we need to
Ending.
have
We
the
should
ending. Yes, correct. We need to have the ending tag.
So there's no ending tag in Canvas for Canvas tag.
No,
Like
we can specify. It's there
so
actually.
you
Yeah.
can just put slash after the
Yeah. So
Canvas.
here
Like
it's like a single. Yeah, correct. It's like single tag only, but we write the code in the JavaScript part. So
Sir, you
here,
forgot today that is Johnny Day.
oh yeah, see, I forgot actually. Because I wanted you to learn something this week. This week you haven't learned anything.
Nothing new, sir. You can try, sir, because you learned nothing this week. You were just
Yeah,
doing
this
tests.
week you haven't learned anything. So that's why I wanted to bring in something so that you need to, you see, the week should be productive.
Sir,
Right?
actually also you should stop annotating.
Oh yeah, correct. So it always happens with me like this. Okay, and then I will clear all drawings. Okay. Yes, so we got this canvas. We are giving an ID called rectangle ID, and then we'll see width equal to, we'll give 200, and then height will give it as 100. Okay, so it's like 200 pixels and 100 pixels height. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to show you here. Let's run this program. So from where we should run, let's in 45. So we'll go here, type here, and then we'll see where exactly it opened. Okay, see, can you see anything here? It's
No,
not
sir.
drawing anything. It's not drawing anything, right?
There's no background, or there's no any border of the canvas, sir.
Exactly. So usually what happens is we will specify the style here, background color. Okay, you want to specify background color? Just take light colors only. Yeah, we'll specify this one, and if you want to specify the border also, you can specify border. Okay, border, how many? 2 pixels. 2 pixels solid, and you can make use of, okay, full black. I want full black like this. Okay, I'm going to put it in the next line so that it will be easy for you to see. Okay, and this one I'm going to put it here. Okay, now you are able to see, right? So
Yes,
I
sir.
took the background as this color, burly wood, and then border 2 pixels solid, and then I'm taking it as black. Sorry, yeah, black. So now let's see how it looks. I'm going to refresh this page here. Okay.
Phantom కదా టేబుల్ మీద తినకూడదు అది
See, you can see here, right? See, this is the background color, and then we are drawing the rectangle. So we can draw the rectangles here. So now let's see, like, how to draw diagonals also. So if you want to draw a diagonal, you need to use the JavaScript code. So what you have to do for JavaScript? Yeah, last time, as Ketan said, we will be making use of, we'll just make use of this. Okay, not here. Create a new file. Okay, we'll create a
So
new
for this one,
file.
you are going to write the script in the body tag.
Sir, you can
No.
make the class 45
No,
.gs.
I'll be using the script tag. Okay, I'll be using the script tag, and then I want to write it in a separate file. Okay, this is 45.js, right? So I'll go to
So you need to create that actually that file.
Yes, Arav?
So you need to like that folder.
Okay, yeah, correct, yeah. We need to create a file, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
can we just write it in the
JS.
same folder, same file, because it's more easier to refer.
Okay, same file, right?
Yeah, just
Yes,
can you
sir.
please
Class
just specify?
45.js.
Okay, fine.
I
Yeah.
mean JS, sir. JS.
Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll put it in the same file as Srijan
So
suggested.
this is class 42 script, sir.
Oh yeah, I'm going to close this. Don't save. I'm going here. Thanks, Ketan. So I'm going to here. So yeah, you should be like this. You should catch immediately if something is going wrong. That's very important for any engineers or the testers or the programmers. You have to catch immediately. You see, I was doing mistake, right? He identified. Okay, now using this, let's copy this content here.
Yes, no. But at Junior project
Yeah, where is this?
Sir, assignments చెప్తున్నారు results. Something is serious.
Okay.
నాన్నకి చెప్పి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసావు నువ్వు డిలీట్ కొట్టావంటే మాత్రం
Okay, let's copy this one. Okay.
ఏంటిది వాటరు
Let's copy this content. Okay, add it here.
Sir, you have to remove the script, another script.
Yeah, correct. So we'll write here. Okay, we'll write the part here. So here I'll tell you
So you
one
need
more
to
thing.
keep flower bracket.
Okay, here you see here. Yeah, let's correct this part. Okay, let's correct this part first.
Sir, you need to keep a flower bracket.
Yeah, correct. No, we don't need here. That's what I was trying to tell you all. So there is some kind of okay, let me add it here. Okay. Oh yeah, this one we cannot make use of this, so we'll write a new code. Okay. Okay, here.
Sir, what is that square one, sir?
Yeah, that's junk character. Actually, we copied from PPT, right? So some junk characters will also be copied actually. See
So
here.
there are
Here.
two ending script tags.
Yeah, we'll remove that. We'll remove that part. I'm going to write the tag first. So what is our canvas ID? Rectangle underscore ID. So can anybody guess what is happening here?
Like the document, like
First line.
the
Only this part.
will be captured from the whatever input is there in the canvas will be captured.
Okay. So what is this rectangle ID? Rectangle ID is the canvas element, right? So this canvas element will be taken here first. But when this script gets executed, right, the canvas is not present because this script is going to execute first. So when it executes, it doesn't identify this rectangle dot underscore ID because
means we need to write the first that script and then this script.
Yes, we have to make some small tweak actually. We will
Sir, you have to write
do
the script in body, sir.
Yeah, we will do the mistake. Okay, we'll try to commit the mistake and learn from it. Okay, let's try this one. Canvas context. So let's try canvas context is equal to, yeah. So we using canvas element. So we actually taken the canvas element here. So using the canvas element, we have to take the context. Okay, context of what like it is 2D or 3D or what kind of images we want to draw, right? So you can get it by passing a value here, 2D. So I'm going to draw a 2D image, right? So you have to pass 2D here. Okay, now this is where the magic happens. So using the canvas context, right? So canvas context, yeah, using the canvas context, you can draw. So means you are telling now, you see, top left corner. Can you see my mouse here? Top left. Okay, I'll show it on
Yes,
the
sir.
browser. Top left corner. It is 0, 0. It is like, the position is like 0. X-axis 0, Y-axis 0. It's like, 0, 0. And then it comes like this, the direction goes like this. First, right side. Next comes down. Next comes left. Next comes down, bottom and left. So top,
Sir, means it
right,
looks like a square.
down. Yeah. So usually, right, the pattern would be like this. Whenever you want to move, right, it moves like this. Top, right, bottom, left. Top, right, bottom, left. You remember this one. And then it's like, 0, comma 0 means what? So the top is 0.
0 by 0.
Yeah, width is 0. And then height is also 0. It means like, you see, move to of what I'm saying here with this program, go to 0th position. 0th, 0th width actually. So 0th width is at the top right corner. It will start from the top only. Okay. And then height is also 0. So height is 0, width is 0. Okay. And then when it moves there, from there, what we have to do? We have to draw a line from there, right? So we will again use canvas context dot. Okay. Where again it went? So we have to draw a line, right? So we are drawing the line, and then here. So you have to draw a line. So draw a line means how? It should be of length what? 200. It's like 200 width. The length of the line should be 200. So it's like you have to go 200 pixels right side. So like you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You consider like this, and then it will come somewhere here. Actually, 200. It will be somewhere here. Okay, you are trying to fix the positions here. So 200 is the right side, and then you need to exactly fix the y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. You remember like this, yeah? It's like x-axis, y-axis in the normal chart, right? So similarly here also, let me draw this one. Okay. Okay, let me draw here. So here what happens is we want to draw a line. So it's like this part is there, right? It's like 0, 0. Okay. Oh, sorry. We draw like this is 0th position, 0th width, and then 0th. Okay. And when you come here, understand that this is 100. This is 100. Height is 0. Okay. And here this corner is 100 width, and height is also
100.
100. Okay, this is 100, 100. And here, can you guess someone?
0, 100.
Yes, correct. It is 0, 0th position, and the height is at 100. Okay, you remember this. So this
Sir,
is
in the bottom left corner also there are 2 numbers that change in the mouse pointer.
okay. Oh, okay. This one, right? Oh, yeah. This one is like pixels. Yeah, it's saying the pixels. It's similar to that only. Yeah. So it's like this. You see, 0th and 0, 0, 0. You see, when I come here, 0, 0. So 0,
What's the
0.
0, 1 it is showing.
Yeah. Here 0, 0. You see, 0, 0. When you move right side, it becomes 0, and then this part is like width is 100. So this position is like 100 width and 0th height. So there is no height for this. So it's like dot calculated on the screen. So the screen is represented using this matrix. We need to understand this part. Okay, 0, 0 is the top left corner. 100, 0 will be the top right corner, and right side bottom will be 100 and 100, and left side bottom is 0 width and 100 height. Okay, you understand these coordinates. So you are drawing somewhere like that only here. So it's like, width is 200 and height is 100. Okay.
So it's like the 0, 0 is the starting point and 200, 100 is the ending point, sir.
Ending point. Yes, correct. It's like that.
Sir, even in JavaScript, create canvas is also there, right?
Yeah, you can use that. Create canvas also you can use. If you don't want to write this one, right? If you don't want to write it here, you can obviously use create element using an to create an HTML element dynamically.
Okay, sir.
So now we are drawing a line. So you have actually here you have identified the pixel positions, and now you are drawing a line. STROK. So stroke means it will draw a line there. Okay. So now you are drawing a line, and then you can remove this part. This part you can remove. This part you can remove, and then this part will keep it as a reference. Okay. Later. Okay. Now you see here. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. It is not doing anything. You see here. Right click here. Inspect element. See, now we are committing a mistake, right? You see, if you if you go to the console, right? So this is a debugger tool. Okay. Basically, the one which I'm doing, right click inspect is nothing but it's a debug tool. Okay. You want to debug anything on the code that you have written, right? HTML or JavaScript or CSS. So this is the Chrome developer tool. Okay. Here, what I want to see is what mistake I have done. I'm seeing. So it says cannot read property get context of null. Of null. It means like
We have not given a target.
Yeah. So it means that canvas element, it is saying it as null. So why it is saying null? Because it did not render. Correct,
because
right?
it was loaded before the body.
Yes. When the canvas is rendered here, we are trying to call a canvas element which it is not present at that point of time. Okay. So you can tweak the code by placing it after canvas. Okay, now this canvas element is available. Okay, this canvas element is available. Then this rectangle ID will be taking this. Okay, HTML element, and using this HTML element, it will draw the graphics. Let's see now. Okay, let's see. Refresh this. Then you can see here. So we started with 0, 0 here. And then this one is like 200, 0, 200, and then 100. And then this one is 100. Sorry, 0, 100, 0, 100. Correct. So now you can draw pictures like this. Okay, this is like, you are drawing using the JavaScript code. Okay, similarly.
So the line can start at any point and end at any point of the canvas.
Yes, you can play around this one. Okay, using this code,
you can draw more lines and you can like make a picture.
Yes, yes, it's like a picture. That's what I wanted to tell you all now. I want you all to practice a diagonal line from here to here. From here to here. Okay. The same code you can make magic actually.
Yes, sir.
Using the same code you can make magic.
We should just change
you just
numbers, sir.
Correct. You just have to make use of these 3 lines again by specifying the coordinates. Try it, okay? Try it yourself. I want you to try it today after the class. Okay? And,
okay, sir.
Yes, Rujan.
Can we make like a code that allows the user to draw it instead of editing inside the code, like 3D drawing it?
Okay, you want to make a program to allow the user to draw like an Paint, right? MS Paint, right?
Yeah, something like that, but just with basic function, just draw, just it freely.
Yes,
Like,
that part, right? That part you can do it, but you need lot of effort in it. So that part you can do it using.
Sir,
There
so
are
for that
some.
can you use the keywords mouse X and mouse Y? I have learned about it somewhere.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Mouse X and mouse Y.
No, that's like just like a coordinates only. But what Srujan is telling is like you want to draw a line, right? So I should be able to use like some buttons here. Take that button, draw from here to here, so it should draw. Srujan, you can try this one. Okay, remember you told me a good point. So I will explain draw events. Yeah, sorry, what is that? Drag and drop events. We haven't learned about drag and drop events, right? Srujan, just to give you
No,
an
sir.
idea,
Yeah.
drag and drop is there. So we'll just make a image of the line there, and then we'll just drag that image and then put it here somewhere. So we can very it's the one which you said will be a too much huge code actually. So we can do
Some
something like but that part can be done easily using applets, and then there are some other technologies you have to make use of. But for now, right?
Sir, should we come back again?
No, Sumant, we will complete this actually. Next part is like I just want to tell you very simple thing here. Not much here. Okay, only two things left here. Like I want to draw something here. So what I do is I can draw using these two lines. Okay, so if you want to specify something, right? So you can just make use of this. So I'm going to add 30px and Arial. So setting the font and its size. So I'm setting a text. What text you want to fill, you can just add the text here.
Sir,
Okay, so can you see here? I want to make it at 0, 0. I will just mention the text as, let's try this one, 0, 0. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to refresh this page. Yeah, you see at 0 and 0, some text has been printed here. So we just have to push it down. So how we can push it down? By
By
specifying,
changing its position.
10.
yes, 100 here. Okay, 100 here. Sorry, 10 here, 10 here. We'll just push down 10, 10, and then see here.
sir,
Going down. Yes, Monica.
sir, can't we draw a line in the center, sir, in the middle?
Yeah, you can draw anything. You can draw. Actually, this is like you are getting a flexibility to draw something. Okay, it's giving you some picture. What I'm trying to say here is like the lines can be drawn using the canvas. So it's like graphics. So using JavaScript, it provides all kinds of flexibility for you to do anything. But you need to be sure of, like what you have to make use of.
Sir,
Yes. Yes,
how to
Kiran.
change the color of the line?
Yeah, color you can actually use some properties, but we'll try. Okay, we'll try. We'll see. Actually, I think this is what I wanted to say. Like for today. So because we are less than 1 minute now. So colors we can use some more properties here. We can try Ketan. Okay, we'll see like what API is available. So for now, right, today's class we are done to this level. Okay, I'll send you this code. You all practice this. Okay,